Y'all, this is not a tutorial. Hey, what's up? What pop, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interest, and sustain self-help strategies. So I'm on live. Hold on one second. I gotta flip the camera. How I do my side braid, because I want a really cute side braid. Y'all, I want some real good, the stuff that I use to slick down my hair is good or whatever, but I can use some other stuff that really work. So, so this is how she looking. This is how she looking, you know. Y'all see the ends. Ooh, okay. So, what I'm about to do is do a fairly loose braid. Kind of loose, but tight. So, I think I'm going to start it like this. I think that's how I want to start it. Hold on. Y'all, because y'all know the caniculin hair get real tangly on the end. So, one false move might take it down. Get back. Okay. Hey, Sydney. Alright. Just trying to make sure this look right. Okay. Y'all know how they be doing the what is it called? When they feather out the hair at the bottom so it look more realistic. I don't get how to do that. Where it take me so long to get ready. What'd you say? I do, I think. You do what? Ugh. I'm trying to, oh, you know how to feather the ends? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, you know what else I don't know how to do? I don't know how to do baby hairs. How they be swooping their baby hairs. I do not get that shit at all. I be trying. Me either with them baby hairs. Man, do you see? I ain't got no baby hair swoop to nothing. I do not get that at all. Is it y'all wrist? Y'all got a good wrist? Or is it the edge tamer y'all using? Which one is it? It do not swirl for me. I gotta go get the rubber band. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, Jesus. Yep. Oh, how you doing? Oh, how you doing? How look? Let me see. Let me see. Hello. Let me see real quick. Wait. No, I don't like it. I gotta make it loose, I think. It look funny. We should do a video chat together for YouTube. How you do that? How you do a video chat? Like for YouTube, I don't get it. Look at this. This don't look right. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, my coloring book is finally here. It is Aligned by Design, Affirmations for Creatives and Entrepreneurial Spirits. I got a question for you. I need help. Okay, wait. How do I cover... This is my hair, right? How do I cover my hair with this? Tell me. I want to know, because I tried to cover it, and then I didn't like how it looked. And my bun is pretty big. Like, y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. This is a get ready with me. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Dang, what should I do? Because, like, before I had, like, braided my own hair into it, like, intertwined it. It was okay. But my hair has, like, blonde in it. And, I've seen girls take a section like this, and then they wrap it around. I get that part, but how that's gonna cover my bun? Okay, we gonna see. Let me see if it covers my bun. I really don't know. Cause like, how long I'm supposed to be twirling this thing? You know? And then, well, it's gonna be the braid gonna be uneven, I guess. I guess we could do it like that. Like how I'm doing. I need a bobby pin or something. This is hard, child. Oh, Jesus. It just unraveled. Fudge, stop. No. Okay, wait. What happened to the bobby pin? Wait. It's looking like some. Hold on, baby. Hello. Hello. Ooh. And then, this look a little crazy to me. But what you gonna do? Shoot. Girl, teach me how to do the video chat and I'll do it. I don't care. Long as it's on one of my days off and it's like in the evening time. Cause it take me a while to get ready. Already as it is. Cause I'm supposed to be where I'm supposed to be right now. I was supposed to been did the dang dong dishes. And I'm sitting up here playing. Well, I'm not playing, but kinda. Okay, boy, I need a rider. All I need is a pink ribbon. Boy, I need a rider. Ooh. 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 Okay, bye, y'all.